There's dumpsters on. Need him to go back to work. So this is all they gave us here for the day. Good to grab the 50% of this here. I don't think we're gonna dump though. If they wanted to dump, they would have broken the 40-50 already. Run some scans here real quick. Running a monthly top scan here, just see what we got. So a lot of energies up top. Some healthcare. IBM is at the monthly top. And T-Mobile.
Did you play T-Mobile?
Yeah, I'm still on it. Yeah,
What was the contract again?
130 for January.
130.
Wow, I just ran a quarterly top. And holy moly. Haven't seen this in a while.
What is it?
The quarterly top, I just ran it. And it has a lot at the top right now. Yeah, Oxy looks to be going down to about 67. Big support at 67.15 on Oxy. That's pretty good buy. See a lot of energy at the quarterly top. LMT is there. Let's check LMT real quick. Yeah, LMT is in no man's land. Forgot about Lululemon. Ooh. Wow. Lulu is at the quarterly top right now. It just tapped it.
Lululemon.
Yeah.
Hey, check out X. I got a pop up from one of the watch lists on that today.
Yeah, I did too.
I ended up grabbing, what was it?
You shorted it, right?
Yeah, look at, like I saw on February 21's, there was 147 open interest and 4,400 volume.
For next year, you said?
Yeah, for 23, February 23, $21.
Yeah, there's about 4,000. Well, there was a big order today. You see the order today? Is that what you're referring to?
Yeah, the volume.
Oh yeah, dude, that's a new position.
Well,
Right.
I'm in there.
Well, let me see.
I'm up like
add
4
these to my.
cents a contract.
Wow, 4 cents.
I'm fucking killing it. I should cash out.
Actually, I like this right now because we are at the weekly top. Here, I'll share it. So this is what he's talking about. This is X right now, and it has a pretty good candle set up here. So if you guys look, this is our weekly top. Let's see the monthly real quick. So you could come back to 24 easy. It's just that a lot of stuff is, man. And the weekly top here. So I don't know. This could come down easy to 22 and then fill that gap there. And there's a bearish divergence here. Yeah, I like those. Let me see if there's an opportunity to get them. Yeah, if it comes back to 2671, I'd probably get them too. Did you eat it all? Here's the scan. I'm running, I believe, quarterly top here. Yeah, quarterly. Some of the information technology stuff is here, like Apple is still here. Look at Apple on the daily clouds. Ping pong. Yeah, Apple short at 152.9 was probably easy money as well. That looks like to be coming down now. Let's see if they break this trend bar here. They tapped me out of that one. Yeah, I knew it was not the best position to enter there. They're gonna make him. See how's Q's doing. God, look at these 10-minute candles here. So does everybody understand macros wise what's happening, or is everybody up to speed?
Nope.
I mean, your PMI is dropping, so your manufacturing index is going down. Yet our president suggesting that we are bringing manufacturing back at the astonishing rate back to United States. Maybe so, but the data is not showing that. And then you have labor that's fairly strong, and they sounded like they're going to stop increasing rates. So when you think about like manipulation and stuff, so they shifted from 4 weeks ago to really bearish. Remember, they said soft landing. How many times did the speakers mention soft landing in their speeches like 4 or 5 weeks ago? If you guys go back and look at transcripts, just look for a word soft landing. And they I think they're programmed to say it at least 5 times while they're speaking. Last, like yesterday, did he mention soft landing at all?
No.
Not a single time, right? So
Have
now,
we-
when you... Mhm.
Oh, just wanted, like, if PMI is going down, that means manufacturing is going down. But if demand doesn't go down, wouldn't inflation kick back up?
Exactly, yeah. That's where I was leading to. So if you're manufacturing, you're not producing more, your supplies, you're just not getting stuff there. But if your labor is strong, as it's showing it is, and your income, disposable income for people is strong, well, if my income didn't change and you're dropping prices as PCE suggesting, what do you think I'll do?
Right, more.
You're going to buy more because it's cheaper. Right? So, I mean, this can come back and bite him. And especially the quantitative easing, the Fed's balance sheet. So if you guys take a look at that, so let me see. Look at this. Look at the balance sheet here. $290 billion wiped so far. And you have a nice little spike here. And now it's coming back down, right? So they're taking money out of the market, liquidity. Like I mentioned, the CPI is not the problem. This is the problem. When they tighten this too much, that's when if you go back to the history of this, they tighten, spend more, right? The bailouts. Here goes your COVID, couple of $1 trillion. And now you got to bring it back up. But let's see how far they do it. This value area high of this consolidation zone that goes a little bit prior. I mean, you could grab it, this whole thing here. This zone here is pretty tough. 4093.25. All right, let's see if we get this dump going. Are you still in the shares, SDAO? Is anyone in SDAO shares?
I am.
Yeah, I'm still in.
Is it late to add?
No, I don't think it's late. My average is slightly above, below this. This is a little bit, I think like 3-month hold for me, nothing more, nothing less. I only put 25K on it. Dumps to you adding SQQ?
I cut and wait until it goes back up.
Yeah, this is a good support here. This is the level where I'll add on SQQ.
Yeah, what is that, like 35 or something?
36.6.
Yeah.
This is a
Yeah,
good spot
I
to
set
add.
an alert. I just figure they're gonna rip it up until about I figure 4150.
Yeah.
And then
And
maybe
this
past
one,
that. I don't know.
I'm watching this right here. So yeah, the only one that's tricky
yeah.
here is that you have multiple trend lines here to play with. Like you have this one here, and one would say if you're below it, right? And that's a good one. Then you have, no, it's this one here as well. You have a couple of touches.
Yeah, I made a
Here's
little bit on VIX last week. Was waiting to re-enter on that one too.
I'm thinking this is where it's headed. And from here, it could pop. Did you look at X chart on monthly?
No.
Let me show you this. This is interesting, man. Look at, here's a 3-month chart on this. Watch this now. We've been in balance this whole time, dude. Like at
Yeah,
one
that's
point it
crazy.
went to $200. Yeah, this is balance for it. What
Yeah,
was
I
the
just
stop?
don't see a driver for steel right now. I mean,
No, I don't either. But the only way they could is if economy does create a recession.
yeah,
I
then
think
they do it. They,
yeah. I think they could try to bail out the economy via that. I mean, car industry, I think it's gonna collapse sooner than later. I mean, the inventory, man, they have to be hurting on inventories like cars, man. Yeah, I'm not sure who's buying inventory right now, but when you have so much and supposedly the chip shortage is doing better, well, man.
yeah, I don't know how they're doing on the inventory of the cars without chips, but you figure the steel's already used. And I know that the thermal coal that's used for the steel production, they were selling that for freaking whatever the heating coal is, they were selling that instead of that.
Hmm.
Just because it was so expensive or whatever.
Yeah, I wouldn't buy the X until it hits like 15 or something like that, maybe even less. Yeah, we had a fuck up today in the company. So they had a vendor that came in to do some work for $2.25 million. And the vendor never did the work, but it was a fixed installment payment. And they receipted it. They sent the
Nice.
payment. So they're like, how do we get the money back? I'm like, oh, I don't know, call the law department.
Sounds like the Citigroup issue. They wired like 900 million.
Dude, like, this guy, special idiot, like he's been doing this stuff for like 20 years. And it's like, dude, like you write these SOWs, just pay a little bit of attention. Man, the contracts are juicy still. It's 340 here. Looking at 470 puts here. And then I'm gonna look at 490 calls on, what do you call it? SPX. I'm thinking they're gonna bounce it here on this trend line and the POC. This would be a good spot for calls.
Is your trend line about 40.77
40.77, yeah.
approximately?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
At
I had a trend.
4078, somewhere around, yeah, somewhere around there.
I had one drawn too, so it looked the same. I just wanted to make sure.
Yep. Man, look at this, how they kill the calls. Just look at the 4105 calls this morning, guys. What a beauty of a killer there. They went to high of 11.4. They're 0 right now. Wow, they really destroyed them. If you didn't take your profits, You're done. $4,100 went to 14.5. I would look at some calls here, guys, on this bounce. Looking at 40.85s right here. True sideways ace. So this is in terms of your date types. This is the perfect definition of a sideways. Does everybody understand the difference between this and a typical?
Yep.
Yeah, this you don't trade. You try to avoid it. I only caught pieces of this. I caught this bounce from the bottom here. I think I had my sell order at 480. I think this is where we might bounce.
Hey, Shorty.
Order filled.
On days like this, do you ever consider writing options, or is that just too risky? It's not your style, or
No, you
know,
definitely
risk.
can. If you got shares, you know, you want to be covered, right? You don't want to be naked on writing. You can definitely write it. I mean, if you could have sold some, you know, when we were up here, if you could sell some, let's say, in this case, SPX, like, I mean, like I just said, 4105s were at $11 at this time. Like right here, they're at $11, and now they're 0. So yeah, no, it's a good strategy, right? I do that on my long-term portfolios. Like when I buy AMD or when I had AMD, I did write calls. I sold the call, so I collect the premium and bring my average down.
Yeah, I was just asking because you kind of anticipated this, so I was wondering.
Yep. I'm going to grab 485 here, guys. I just grabbed one. Obviously, price action is shit. I'm looking to see if they bought enough here, or if they're going to give us a spike to the top, or if they're just going to close here in a sideways range. You could buy the, you know, for instance, here you could buy 485s and sell, you know, same amount to get your money back on 4100s. I'm pretty sure we won't hit that, but let's see. I'm in these, so let's see. 0.65. Yeah, I would say the best thing on a day like this, when you notice it that's struggling, is probably not to trade. Don't give up your capital. Wow, Netflix is at 320. Just saw that. You guys look at 4-hour candle on Netflix here. Oh my God, yeah. I'm gonna look for contracts for Netflix here. It could fill the gap here soon at 330, but I'm gonna start looking at some stuff.
Yeah, don't do it yet.
Why?
I got fucking destroyed on that today.
On Netflix?
Yeah.
What did you play? Short?
Yeah, shorts yesterday and today.
Let me run the option scan here. This is pretty bad though. I mean, the action is pretty sad that we could pump from here. I don't know. I don't see them breaking this POC, but maybe I'm wrong.
Order filled.
Man, they're buying like all the FOMO stocks are being bought up and all their contracts are being bought up. Here's the unusual scan here.
You can only see your charts.
No, I'll post it in chat.
Hey,
That's all they're hitting very, very hard today. Did I give you guys the scan? Thought I did. Yeah, they're really, really hitting the video for 180 for December 9th. I mean, they're hitting everything on the video. Some speculators are hitting 200 calls on the video here. All right, come on, do something, man. This is. All right, did anyone grab that 485 call?
I took MES.
I'm in SPY up like 11%.
Well, $485's moved, guys. They're $1.05 right now. I don't know if anyone took it. Did anyone grab it? 485s? They're 1-1 now. There it goes. 130. Come on. Almost 100% of those. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. That's easy money, Burnside. How long was the trade? I'm still in, but it seems like we're in it for a couple of minutes. There goes 125. Come on, at least give, man, if it gives me 315 for this one, I'll be happy. Here we go. 1-4. Boom. 100%. Over 100%. All right, I'm out.
Nice one.
I'm out. It's probably gonna go higher, but I don't. When it's shit like this, they can reject it anywhere they want. I took my money here.
That was nice. Another 20% at the end of the day. Felt good.
I just hit 1.5. Yeah, I'm out of it. I'm out of it, guys. Guys, these might run, even though I'm not gonna play them again, but these might run. If we break this zone here, they might take off. Today, I don't know if anyone ever had this. I had some weird shit on TradingView. Whatever I would click, it would turn on this damn ruler here. Oh, it was driving me crazy. Like, I
That's-
almost broke the damn. I
That's
almost broke the
strange.
monitor, dude.
You
Like, I
probably
was
had a sticky shift key.
somewhere, something was, man, like I literally unplugged everything from PC and plugged it back in. I was so aggravated. I'm like, dude, like I want a chart. I was trying to get in a position and I'm clicking and moving and it fucking measures.
Yeah, you probably had a sticky shift key.
Yeah, I think I did. I just don't know how to turn them off on a
I've
keyboard. So
had something weird going like that where it was glitching out. Like it kept drawing fucking the fixed range volume profile on everything. Like anytime I clicked anything, it would draw another one.
Oh, man, I'm looking at 41.50s for tomorrow. Is there a Fed speaker tomorrow? Because they're in a blackout. You guys know they're in a blackout next week or for a
Check
little
your
bit.
economic calendar. It looks like Evans speaks tomorrow morning.
Oh, yeah, he's pretty bullish too. I'm gonna get into these 41.50s, guys, for tomorrow. I'm gonna grab them right here. All right, let's see. I'm in at 3-4, a little bit of a FOMO here, but let's see. I'm gonna swing this one though. Not gonna look at it. Where's SPX right now? Man, my shares on Verizon are doing pretty good. We must pushed 486 here, 488. The 485s are at 1.7, guys. Hopefully some of you guys trim it because they will be worthless and close. We're not going to close about 486. I'm looking actually to see
Alright, tomorrow we got Logan, Bowman, manufacturing PMI for November.
I'm looking at
Ball.
475 puts right here. They're selling these 475 puts. They're offloading. Hmm. I'm gonna grab one. This is just me grabbing it here. Lotto, don't, if you're not comfortable with it, don't play with it. I grabbed one, 0.85. We haven't been able to break this value area high on it. So that's why I'm the only reason why I'm shorting. We rejected a few times. We made, besides this wick, we made lower highs. Seems like this wick came here to stop me out. There was a nice little volume here, if you guys look at it. So I'm just looking at a tiny portion of it right here. There was a nice little volume set up before the dump imbalance. So that's why I'm in. 475.
Hey, Shorty, what's going on with the Starbucks today?
I don't know. I just had it. It's pretty good. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, man. We fucking missed the shares at this time. Whoa. 103. I thought it was a glitch. Man, we fucked up on this. So I had a nice candle here. It's gonna retrace here. Well, it's over this supply, so it's headed here. This is gonna be a major supply here. Yeah. I would honestly set some alerts, guys, here, because this is empty space here besides the little, if you want to call it HVN. But if it gets here, guys, this is an easy short on Starbucks. Do you see this?
Yeah.
So this, guys, don't miss this time. We fucked up on this when we did not buy shares. That was a good 30-40%.
How many
So
weeks are we putting?
this one you need six weeks here. You need 6. This is gonna be a good dump from this level right here. It's gonna be a really nice dump. Don't they have union shit going on? Like, don't they have like hands full with PR?
Yeah, they just closed down the stores for safety measures that once they unionize.
Safety measures.
That's what they keep reporting on.
Did they really say that?
Yeah.
That's good. Oh my god, that's good. Whoever is their PR person deserves a fucking raise. I'm pretty upset about this, man. That was such a good entry.
What'd you set your alert at for the short?
At 109 to tell me that we are approaching this. Yeah, I'm gonna be short here. So if this happens, you can probably play 90 puts here 6 weeks out. And let's see if they're loading up on anything here. Okay. Oh, did you guys see the buy order on these puts? 40.75s? Holy crap. All right, come on, bring it. Come on, give us a little dump. Come on. Let's see Starbucks real quick while you're waiting in. Good eye on Starbucks. I'll probably go through some stocks tonight, see what's approaching, and I'll post an Excel of good levels maybe to enter and the reason why, so you guys can have it.
When you take off tomorrow in the morning?
I'm
Or
going
you
at
got
9:30.
Hmm.
There's some open interest. Holy crap, for 100 puts for January, there's a 16K open interest. on Starbucks. Who knows how to do the Tradedex flow for like Starbucks? There has to be some loading here on Starbucks. Somebody was gonna start buying puts here. I'm still in these 475 puts. Seeing what they do. Where's Disney? Oh, wow. Dude, Disney's almost at COVID lows. And they got their CEO back.
Yeah, and I'm also wondering because they did the like, because my shit just renewed again for whatever their streaming service was. Like they did like the 2 or 3 years for whatever. Like
Disneyland?
the giant, no, their Disney streaming thing or whatever that just renewed for me. So they're going to be getting some revenue from that. Because like I signed up for that shit like 2 or 3 years ago for like $90 or something.
I mean,
I don't
this
think
is a
90
good,
bucks.
it's a good spot, guys, here to look at some Disney like calls. Let me look at a 3-day candle real quick. Yeah, this is not a bad spot, guys. Somebody's accumulating here. Look at this. Yeah, let me look at Disney. I like Disney calls, maybe 6 weeks out.
Jake's is starting to scuba dive.
Oh yeah, there goes a pump here. Potentially push it to all the way to 110. So maybe, man, 110s are not bad. They're only $1.10 for January, but I think we need a little bit more. February would be better. They're 275. Oh, I'm gonna have these looked up here. All right. Come on, SPX, what are you doing? Well, we're trying to make a higher high here. See what they do. Ton of volume coming in.
Shorty's contracts up to 350.
Oh, wow. Look at the 480s, guys. They just pumped them to $9 right now from 3 to 9. Yeah, the other one, 4075 went 0. Wow, these just hit 4. Holy shit. Told you there was a big buy order, guys, on those. 1,000 contracts somebody bought. All right, let's see what they do here. Look at that candle on the right. Does it look like identical to this one? If we get this dump here, these 475s. Where's this? Okay, I got one more 475 because this, if they're gonna pull this back, this might pay. See what they do. That's a lot of selling volume here. And it's not 4 o'clock here yet. Guys, 475s might rock it. Let's see, I hope so. I wouldn't mind one of those 45 cents, $30 the last minute. Come on, give us tweezer top. 3 minutes. Yeah, Ad never agreed with this move here. 70 cents. Did anyone grab it at 45 cents, guys? Come on, just continue down.
Grab one.
Does have a tweezer top here, so this can dump from here right now. Come on. Oh, how ideal would it be to hit 467 here? Come on down. All right, break 480. Come on. Does anyone have MOC? It should have been released by now.
4 million sell
4
early.
million or billion?
Million or 400 million. Sorry, I work in fucking thousand.
Yeah, that's nothing. All right, come on. Come on. They're 80 cents, guys. So if you took them at 45, 50, you're almost at 100% here. Come on, just break this low here. This will be, if you break this right here, this is gonna be pretty. I'm gonna put a sell order at 3, just in case they do something funny with a spike. All right. Come on, 5 more points, and these could be about $2, $3. And keys at the session POC here. They're loading up on 4085s again, guys. on calls right now. Wonder what they do here. Those went 38 cents and they jumped it back to $2 right now. I wouldn't be surprised if they reverse it. Big red candle.
$5,000 for January.
What, 5,000?
Somebody bought 45K, 5,000 calls for January.
I mean, think about it, that's a lot of money, $45,000, and it's probably a drop in the bucket lotto play for him, whoever's doing it.
Yeah, 15 cents a contract.
I mean, that's an idiot. I mean, this is a bullish close as much as it doesn't look like it. This is that if you go 30 minutes, this is a pretty nice bull flag. The volume might not look like it. Look at that strong volume here. Looks good. What a crappy close though.
Which side of this wedge is going to break first?
See, I think we go down here, but let's see. There it goes. Unless they reverse this. There you go. Come on, 475s. Oh, 475s might go into money. Come on. Close it.
They went down to $5 there for a second.
Yeah, dude, they're 50 cents right now.
Yeah, I tried to get it at 10 cents, but missed.
Oh my god, we might be in the money here. $2. 60 cents. Ah, come on, just drop it to the previous low.
Watch it go to like 9.
Dude, they
I'm
go
so
to
pissed.
9. Sending you a love letter. This is like playing lottery at the end of the day. They're 70 cents though right now. Somebody scooped them at 5 and they're 70 cents. That's pretty fucking good return, man. This could be a candle that breaks the structure. Look at that volume. I mean, I know it's end of the day, but come on, just keep going.
I've got it at the bottom of that wedge or whatever. With VWAP,
grabbed
with
the-
the POC.
I got an 80 at 70 cents, but I already got out.
How much are they?
320,
Wow.
340.
Man, if we don't bounce here, this would be pretty nice for these 475s. We're approaching the in the money level. Come on. I mean, ad just puked.
So you are swinging the 4150s for tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I got them. They're like $2 right now. They have to tap 4150. I don't care what they're doing. They're gonna have to tap it. Dude, do you guys see these orders coming in for 40.75s, or is my toss fucked up? Wow. Look at that candle there. Over 1,000 contracts just now. Okay, here comes the bounce. This says screw your 475 puts back to 0. That was pretty good though. If somebody caught that, I mean, from 5 cents to 75 cents, that's Starbucks to some premier coffee there.
One more go.
Man, they're very close to breaking that. I'm gonna grab one here at 5 cents or $1. 10 cents here. I'll just grab 10. Let's see what they do. $100. Going once. 1 minute and 30 seconds. I mean, just go back to 5. I'll be okay there. Here comes the volume. Come on, send them up.
What the fuck?
Make-
Germany's out.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Spain and Japan.
That's what I picked in my bracket.
Me too. Fuck, I knew I should have just gone for the loser. Oh, god damn it.
Dude, that coach is cut.
He's gonna get murdered.
Dude, with the squad like that, you lose to Japan. Here it comes. 4, 3, 2, 1. And look at this now. Here comes a new lower low.
Took the 4080 puts into close.
Well, you could have made money on those. What'd you grab them at?
Grabbed them at $2.
Oh, nice. I mean, you should be, yeah, you're in the money. They're gonna cash settle you.
Yeah, I think they closed about like 3.2. So yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty good. I mean, those went to 50 cents.
Yeah, I was trying to grab them, but they kept on moving up, so I'm like, screw it.
Yeah, the bid. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Take care and have a safe trip.
I'm gonna go.
Hey guys.
I'll be
Shorty.
on live
Bye,
in the
Shorty.
morning, and then I'll pack up.
Shorty promo.
Yes, sir.
Promo.
Oh, yeah. So we are running the promotion. I keep forgetting, man. Thanks, Drew. If anyone's got friends or family, or I think you're live on YouTube.
Nope.
So basically, what happened? I know you don't have friends, Dumpster, but if you join tomorrow between, I believe, 8 a.m. and 1 p.m., we'll refund your first month on January 2nd. So that means you have to be in for 2 months, and we'll give you 1 month basically free. Okay. So if you're interested in joining, we don't really ever run promotions. So this is a one-time sequence idea, and we said, let's go with it. So if you're interested, more than welcome to join. Now I already scheduled a class for when I'm back from my trip, so we can cover it, especially with the new folks that joined. Okay. All right. Well, thank you guys, and appreciate you, Drew, for helping while I'm not 100% available.
No worries. All right. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Shorty.
Take care, guys. Have a good evening.
Bye.